Hello, my name is Kea and I'm from Estonia. And actually, I have a little problem here. As you know, all over the world, the Halloween is more popular. Every children like to celebrate Halloween. But actually, we have a lot of traditions more. And I'm a little bit sad that we might miss out of these traditional days because children seems to be more enjoy to celebrate Halloween. So I thought that maybe we can handle this problem together. For example, in Estonia we have very similar tradition to your Ash Wednesday. We have 2 days called Kadripäev and Mardipäev. In English maybe Mardi Gras and Kadri's Day. Both traditions are very old and when I was a child I like to celebrate these days. We studied traditional Kadripäev and Mardipäev songs and games and prepared all the costumes and masks. And then we went with our friends or with our family door to door and show what we have prepared. So we sang these songs and played these games, and after that people gave us some candies or fruits. But today I see that children prefer to celebrate Halloween, as I said. And I have thought, why they prefer Halloween to Mardipäev and Kadripäev. And I see that one reason is that Halloween costumes are more fun. You could be your favorite superhero or fairy tale character, and it's fun, yes. And I thought that maybe we can solve this problem when we create more inspiring Kadri's and Mardi's masks. So I'm going to tell a little bit about the traditional Mardipäev and Kadripäev and about these costumes and masks. And then you can create your own Kadri or Mart mask inspired.
laske Mardit tuppa tulla, Mardimaa.